Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm 𝐿𝐵𝐵𝐻. I hope you're all doing well. Let's jump into today's install and review. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, WowAfrican. I am so thrilled to have them back because the last time we collaborated, I was loving that wig. It was a total different vibe. I love the fact that I can just switch it up. One minute, if you're feeling more of the kinky texture 4C vibe, they got you covered. When you want a little blonde ombre bust down, they also got you covered. This wig is so beautiful, you guys. This is their 20-inch blonde ombre wavy wig. Do we see the silkiness? It is made from Malaysian virgin hair. I can just tell the quality is there.
Hard to get, tease me boy, I'm a Mr. Frey. Flirt, work for bread, so coy, take it slow to lead. Hurts, seductive when you look at me that way. Irresistible, but I try. Hypnotic, making you wait is so erotic. Perks, and I want you to want me, yeah. I want you to crave me as tension is building, yeah, and driving us crazy.
This wig is glueless and it comes with like little combs on the inside, which I love. The fitted cap, you know, the hairline is already pre-plucked, gorgeous. I don't know that I've tried Malaysian hair before, but I'm here for it. I put her on glueless without a wig cap on, and this fit is so good. Like, I don't think I've ever had a wig fit this good, like gluelessly. Like it's like literally suction to my head. Okay, I'm excited. And the lace is perfectly matched. Look at that lace. You can't even see the lace. Where is the lace? I don't know. This is why you just gotta invest in a good wig. When you have a good wig, this is the result you're gonna get. Top tier. Yeah. Look at that, glueless. Like, I don't even need to do anything else. This is the side with the lace, without the lace. This good lace is the foundation to a good install. If you don't have good lace, I'm sorry, your wig is not gonna be cute. And look at her. Glueless, but you wouldn't even know it. And it has this little comb here. Let me see what the comb is saying. Let me see if I like the comb or not. Comb is optional. You don't have to use a comb if you don't want to lose any edges or anything, or you're worried about losing edges potentially. Don't use the comb. Okay, so fresh out of the box, this is what she comes looking like. Now, I personally think I'd like to recurl her. I have my T3. If you want to get really fancy, go ahead and pin this hair, but I don't want to get that fancy. We keeping it easy over here. I don't think I've ever experienced hair this silky before. Okay, they had me at silky. So far the wig is recurling beautifully. It's like butter, honestly. It's just so silky. It's taking really well to the curling iron. Okay, we're almost at the end, guys. And this literally took like 4 minutes to do. The wig does come already curled, but I mean, it's just gonna look so much better when we recurl it.
Take it away, feeling too good to me.
You hold it while it cools down, it holds a better shape. A little hot comb action. You guys do know that this wig is still 100% glueless, right? Okay, good. Let's see.
Where I wanna be, here in this room. what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget.
Now, one thing this hair has is a lot of bounce. Like, wow, it's gorgeous. Like, hello. Look at this. Guys, I love my job. Okay, days like today, this is like just fantastic. The best, the best. Like, I didn't even put any wax stick. Giving this is gorgeous hair. Look at that. Oh, are you guys seeing this? You can see the back.
But you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
This is some of the best hair I've ever felt in my life. And I've felt some nice hairs in my time. Like, I'm not gonna hold you guys. This is very special. Wow. The lace, the cap, the fit, everything is just beautiful. It fits gluelessly. It's not gonna slip off my head. So silky. This is a celebrity wig. This is one of those wigs that Halle Berry would be wearing, Ciara would be wearing, Beyonce would be wearing, because when I tell you like the quality, oh yeah, this is gonna be worn all summer long. And also the ash blonde is a nice touch. I typically like a dark root, but this is different because it's like an ashy brown, almost like an ashy blonde into a lighter blonde. It's done so well. The ombre is so pretty. Look, 100% glueless. Look at this. Up close, 10 out of 10. If I could give this a 100 out of 10, I would. When you run your hands through it, it feels so smooth. It just feels like hair. You don't feel any tracks. You don't feel anything. It's not thin anywhere. Like, at no point in this wig do I feel a track. Like, I can't feel one here. I can't feel one here. And the back. Usually you can feel a track in the back, but nothing. It just feels like it's my hair. I would give it more if I could. Definitely recommend. Now, she is on the more pricey side, but when I tell you this is gonna be worth every single penny of investment that you invest into this wig, and you will not be disappointed. The Malaysian hair, girl, like, how did I not know? Yeah, it's a bit of me, okay? Guys, I'm obsessed. I can't wait to go play around with it. That is all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, leave a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts on today's install. Did you like it? Was it easy? Because it was super beginner friendly for me and I am obsessed, guys. I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video sometime soon. Bye.